Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cupcakes on your hair. Start with detangled, dry hair and section a top ponytail where you want the cupcake to sit. Twist the ponytail lightly and wrap it into a circular bun shape, securing with a scrunchie or small sock donut. Tuck loose ends and pin for a neat look. Finish with light hairspray and a cute ribbon or clip for a bakery vibe. Begin by gathering the top section into a ponytail at your chosen height and secure it tightly. Slip a sock donut or small scrunchie over the ponytail to create a rounded base, then spread hair evenly around it. Wrap remaining hair around the base, tucking ends under and pinning discreetly with bobby pins. Smooth any flyaways and adjust the bun shape until it looks like a neat cupcake. Add accessories for extra charm. To elevate the cupcake look, create gentle curls or tease the bun slightly for volume and a bakery-style dome. Secure decorative elements like a ribbon, small bow, or faux sprinkles so they rest on the bun without pulling. Use a bit of light hairspray to hold shape while keeping movement natural. Check pins and the scrunchie for comfort and stability, and adjust any loose pieces so the cupcake stays centered and wearable for hours.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.